Let's start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes and say hi to Twirly. Hi, Twirly. Is a performer. Alright, hi Turley, welcome to Chinatown. Okay, so this time Turley, I want you to meet our birthday celebrant for today, si Kiara May. Ito siya. Hapo naman siya, Turley. Wow, of course. Gusto ko rin makilala mo yung mga bis daw. Okay. Gusto ko makilala mo yung mga bisita niya, kids. Everybody say hi to Twirly, kids. Wow, and of course, welcome ka dito sa birthday party ni Kiara. Okay, this time gusto ko makilala mo rin si Lola ni Kiara. Lola, si Kiara. Lola,